Fertilizing your lawn is easier than you think, and the benefits are huge. You'll have a better looking lawn, fewer weeds, diseases, and pests with less maintenance when your lawn is properly fertilized. Start by selecting a low nitrogen, slow release fertilizer like Milorganite. It's goof-proof, reducing the risk and fear of damaging your lawn. Next, look at the back of the bag for recommended rates or visit their website for more details. As you can see, you'll need to know the square footage and brand of spreader you're using to calculate the amount of Milorganite needed. Measure the grass areas in your yard. None of us has a perfectly square or rectangular lawn, so round it off to the nearest size and measure accordingly. This is an advantage of using a low nitrogen, slow release fertilizer like Milorganite. You won't damage your grass if your calculations are a bit off. Measure the length and width of each area to be fertilized. Now multiply the length times the width of each area to get the total square footage. Add the square footage of each area to calculate the total grass area to be fertilized. Here's an example. Now we're ready to start fertilizing. Mow your lawn before applying the fertilizer for more even distribution. Check the bag once again for the proper spreader setting, or visit Milorganite.com for a more complete listing of spreader settings. Divide the recommended setting number in half to apply half the recommended rate in one direction, and the other half at right angles to the first pass. This helps ensure a more even application and avoid stripes of dark and light green grass. Always sweep fertilizer off walks, drives, and other hard surfaces, and wash your hands after working on the lawn or in the garden. As you can see, it's easier than you think. Just check the label, measure, and use some simple math to calculate your fertilizer needs. And with Milorganite's goof-proof formulation, you're sure to be successful.